This is the first information session that we held in East St. Louis at the Smart Center on May 8th, 2008. Number 8, the number of new beginnings.
That's right.
This was the folks that showed up. Look at them. Don't they look good? Say something for the folks.
Smart Center!
We looked at a little bit different. We be treated a little bit different. It improves our communities. It replenishes the earth. And because it can be achieved, we already said it, it's been promised that it's possible. The plan is already from the foundation of the world. It's already been established that it can be achieved. So the abundant life, we use as a definition of the abundant life, it is living in the blessed state. It is a fulfilled life having all my natural, emotional, and spiritual needs met and helping to meet the needs of others. Our community members' vision is to repossess our families, our community, and prepare ourselves for the information age so we can live a more abundant life. How many know that we are now living in the information age? The industrial age is over with. When industry was prevalent, cities like Detroit, cities like St. Louis, cities like Akron, Ohio, Pittsburgh, all these different cities, they were thriving places. But once industry left, success left, and people left. And now you have those same cities, Detroit and St. Louis and East St. Louis, over 90 years ago, we know what took place here, that have been left abandoned, nobody to take care of. But yet and still, it is our community, so therefore we have a responsibility to rebuild the city of God. So we put this little process in place. Now, it's a lot of great information. I promise you, your life will never ever be the same, because in just a few minutes, I'm going to bring up some of the students that have gone through the training. Let them tell you about it. It's some good stuff. When was the last time y'all had equal status? This is the beginning of a process. You'll learn about your biblical heritage factor. Y'all need to know this right up here. You see this up here? Y'all need to know about this. Our people, they've been giving us black history. But they have given us our biblical heritage. You have to find that out. I've learned that on my own. So now I've helped you put together a process so you can learn your biblical heritage. So starting Saturday in this room here at 9 o'clock, I'm going to be teaching on the biblical heritage factor. On the second week, we're going to teach on the need to change. The third week, how to renew the mind. Fourth week, the law of cash flow. Y'all don't want to miss that training. You don't want to miss it. Because many of us don't understand the law of cash flow. That's why cash always flows from us. Now y'all laughing. But it's very important that you learn this process. And you know what? This is our gift to the community, because we want this community to go to a whole nother level. But you got to come through the training. I promise you, it's not bad. You're going to have a good time. You're going to learn a lot. It's going to accelerate you to another level. And then you'll have an opportunity to make a decision whether or not you want to go through some leadership training. I tell you what, we as our people, we don't understand leadership. That's the problem with this community. It's got a leader. Forget this community. As I travel across this whole country, y'all, I've been just about every state. When I go to the black community, they all look alike. They got many East St. Louis and many cities. And that's because we got a leadership problem. Our communities are in trouble because the families are in trouble. Families make up community. So as we begin to develop the leaders in the family, show them their purpose, who they are, they go to a whole other level. Nobody will be able to play them. You hear what I'm saying? It's very, very important that you come through this training. Even if you don't engage with us afterward, come through the training, get the information, so you can get to where you need to be. Because God ain't finished with you yet. And we need you anyways to be this community. And how it works here, the most important thing you're going to learn once you go through the Life Build System training is how to come together and work effectively as a team. Where are they training right now on teamwork? Why haven't we come together? Anybody want to take a stab? Huh? No. Have we come together as a people yet?
No.
Why haven't we came together? Have you ever thought about it? That's not teamwork, that's individual work. Well, where can you go learn the laws of teamwork? There's 17 laws of teamwork. Unless you know these 17 laws, you cannot come together. Just like if you don't know the law of aerodynamics, don't go get in no airplane. And if you do, call me. Give me 2 days notice. I'm gonna move myself and my family 2 states away from nowhere in the area, and the airplane won't happen. I'm just saying this, y'all. We gotta come back and unlearn some of the things we've learned. But the most important skills we're gonna learn is new business skills for the information age. We're gonna learn new financial skills. We're gonna learn new wellness skills. This is very important since they're closing down the hospital. We gotta learn this. And we're gonna learn a new political process. Let me ask you this question. Do you think the political process in this community needs to be changed?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
We're going to introduce a process among us to be able to make this come to pass. This is easy. This is like going for a walk in the park. All we do now is looking for those that want to go walking with us. And the most important thing we're going to learn too